Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. Today, let's take a trip together. Not to a city or a classroom, but to nature. Let's go camping. It's summertime, and the world is green and alive. The air is warm, the sky is blue, and you're safe here. Your English can rest and grow in this peaceful place. Let's begin. Arriving at the campsite. It's a quiet summer morning, and the road curves gently through the trees. Your car slows down, and finally you arrive. You step outside, breathing in air that smells fresh, clean, and soft, with the scent of pine trees and warm grass in the sunlight. Can you imagine a forest near you? Picture it for a moment. You stretch your arms, feeling good to move after the drive. Birds sing above, their songs mixing with the distant sound of a flowing river. You take a deep breath, feeling calm and ready. It's time to set up camp. You unzip your bag and pull out your tent. A little tangled, but no problem. You don't rush. Pole by pole, piece by piece, you build your small shelter. You pat the side of the tent. Done. Inside, you lay down your sleeping bag, a flashlight, a water bottle, and a pillow. It's simple, but it's yours. You sit for a moment, the world feeling quiet and wide, and you're a part of it. With your tent ready, you feel settled and eager to explore the forest around you. A walk through nature. Following a trail that winds through the forest, you take your first steps, each one soft on dirt, leaves, and tiny stones under your shoes. Everything around you is green, with light shining through the leaves above, dancing on the ground below. You hear the wind moving gently through the trees, and insects buzzing near a bush. In the distance, a woodpecker knocks against a tree, its rhythm steady and clear. What sounds do you hear in nature? Think of one or two. A small squirrel darts across the path, its tiny paws rustling the leaves as it pauses to look at you, its eyes bright and curious. You stop for a moment, and it scurries up a tree, chattering softly. Farther along, you spot a rabbit nibbling on clover near the trail. Its ears twitch, catching the sound of your steps. and it hops gently into the bushes, leaving a ripple of green behind. You smile, feeling the forest alive around you. A little farther, two hikers approach from the opposite direction, their backpacks bouncing lightly. They wave and call out, "Hello," in cheerful voices. One in English, another with a soft accent you don't recognize. You wave back, saying hi, and share a quiet smile. The trail curves, leading you to a stream. Its water clear and cold, flowing over small, smooth rocks. You kneel beside it, dipping your fingers into the cool water, feeling its gentle current. Nearby, a tiny frog hops onto a mossy stone, its green skin glinting in the sunlight. It sits still, watching you, then leaps into the stream with a soft splash. You sit on a large stone, close your eyes, and listen to the water, the birds, the rustle of leaves, your breath. All slow and steady. No phones, no noise. Just the sound of the world and your own quiet thoughts. As the day softens into evening, you head back to camp, ready to gather around a warm fire. Campfire time. The air cools as the sky turns golden, then orange, then soft pink, signaling evening's arrival. You gather firewood, small dry sticks and larger pieces of wood, and carefully build a fire pit, arranging the stones in a neat circle. You strike a match, its tiny flame flickering before catching the kindling. And slowly, the fire begins to glow, crackling softly as it grows. The flames dance, rising and falling, their warm orange light painting the trees nearby with a magical glow. Shadows shifting gently on the ground. You sit on a sturdy log beside the fire, feeling its warmth on your face and hands, and hold a warm drink. Maybe tea with a hint of mint, hot chocolate rich and sweet, or warm water with a slice of lemon. What drink would you hold by a campfire? Imagine its warmth in your hands. A small group gathers around the fire, their faces lit by the soft glow. Someone beside you roasts food over the flames. Maybe marshmallows turning golden, a piece of flatbread puffing up, or a plantain sizzling with a smoky aroma, and offers you a piece with a warm smile. You take a bite, tasting the sweet or savory flavor. Soft inside, a little crispy outside. And you nod in thanks, sharing a quiet laugh. Another camper, sitting across the fire, pulls out a small drum and taps it gently, adding a soft, rhythmic beat to the evening. They hum a tune, low and soothing, in a language that feels both unfamiliar and comforting. Someone else joins in, strumming a guitar, playing a gentle melody with words in another language. The notes blending with the fire's crackle and the drum's steady pulse. A child in the group points to the fire, giggling as a spark pops and floats upward, disappearing into the night. You follow their gaze, watching the sparks swirl like tiny stars against the dark sky. You lean back, feeling the log's rough bark under your hands, and look up at the sky. The stars are there. So many, bright, distant, and peaceful, stretching endlessly above the trees. What do you see when you look at the stars? Picture one shining brightly. You don't say anything. You don't need to. You just sit, surrounded by the fire's warmth, the music's softness, and the shared quiet of the moment, letting the night wrap around you like a cozy blanket. Final thoughts. Camping in summer is more than sleeping outside. It's returning to something simple, slow, and real, where different foods, songs, and stories come together under the stars. When you listen to English like this, softly, slowly, gently, you're doing more than learning. You're building a relationship with the language. A peaceful one, a calm one, a kind one. What did you notice on our camping trip today? Maybe a sound, a smell, or a feeling. You don't need to rush or push. Just breathe, listen, and grow. One word at a time. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.